Moodle provides the most flexible tool set to support both blended learning and 100% online courses. It's easily configurable to manage the things, and from a few students to you go to millions of users, Moodle can be scaled to support the need of both small classes and large organization. Because of this flexibility and scalability, Moodle has been adopted for use across education, business, and non-profit, government, and other. And Moodle is a web-based and also have a mobile application, so can be accessed from anywhere in the world with our default mobile compatibility interface and cross-browser capability. Content on the Moodle platform is easily accessible and consistent across different web browser and devices. So now we just understanding how Moodle work. We are in the area of this pandemic. We can reach every single student through the Moodle, and the student can reach his and her faculty easily by using this platform. We are teaching through the Moodle to those people who are not able to attend the class. If this pandemic situation not comes, then it's very helpful for those students who is not able to join daily classes uh, by available in physically. So just you use the Moodle portal. Moodle is just such a meaning by which is a student can take all the facilities which were available in the classrooms. Okay. So it's a really easy to use, and lots of manageable content. Here we manage the content and self-reflection, like Moodle course provider and personal space for learner to reflect on their learning journey, which could include recording feedback and or setting target for the future. And it's accessing learning material 24 into 7. Learning resources are available to the learners whenever they want them. There even a mobile app to make access even easier via smartphone and other mobile devices. And with a very variety of resource and activity types, learning on Moodle can be a fun. Moodle support a range of media to present or link learning materials, support the learner, and to access their learning. So these are the benefits where we utilize in Moodle. Now we just discuss on the Moodle features. Moodle have multiple features. In a general feature, administrative, faculty, and student types of feature. In a general feature, Moodle is easy to use interface, because in a Moodle have lots of themes where some is free and some paidable, but you just utilize theme according to your users. And notification, where you got all notification related to course and messages, because Moodle provide a chat box, so faculty and student directly communicate with chats. And personalized dashboard, where you just personalize your dashboard according to your all-in-one calendar, means here all the new courses and new live session classes is aligned with your calendar. And convenient file management. Moodle support multiple files, PNG, JPG, PDF, and Excel, and lots of file system Moodle supported. If I'm talking about administrative feature, yes, Moodle is customizable. In a Moodle have a lots of feature, but you just require some limited feature. You just customize and use according to your need. And secure and authentication, because inside the Moodle you just give one two-way authentication and OTP and lots of things inside the Moodle. Whenever you log in user Moodle, you use authentication system. Multilingual capability is a main advantage of this open source platform is, because if you think to develop your learning platform, lots of language supported. Bulk course creation inside the Moodle, you just create lots of courses and easy to backup and manage user role, and also you just create a lots of user inside the Moodle. These are the some basic administrative features, and you have lots of plugins, also some free and some paid plugins where you use according to your needs. And detailed reporting and logs are also available in administrative panel, where you just check all reporting. That means how many students access the courses, and who students log in at which time. All the details are reported and logs are available. And course management features. This is most important things for the faculty member, where they directly create the learning path for the students, and active or resource management, where lots of things are available, like is a create examination, create online classes, quiz, and all things are available in the course. And also just faculty create groups of students, where some groups are belongs to some specific education background, like commerce and other things. And some if some belongs to science, then they create a different groups. So if I talking about how the Moodle work in your organization, so from a few students to millions of students, Moodle can be scaled to support the need of both the small classes and large organization. Because of its flexibility and scalability, Moodle has been adopted for use across the businesses. So by this, you utilize Moodle in your organization. So I just share some live portal where we use Moodle for our some client. Yes, this is a Tribal Digital Quest website. It's developed on through by the help of Moodle. It's a totally Marathi language portal where all the things are available. Here you see it sees that there are all the program and courses available in this portal. And if this is a login panel for the all single login panel, where students, faculty, administrator both are logging here. And if I log in if I log in administrative panel, then this is the settings are available in administrative panel, where some, like if I click on user, where bulk user action, and where bulk user action, where we just create lots of users, and create a lots of if I if we delete some user, here we just use a bulk user action, where just see if I click some user, and easily to remove from the portal, and add and easily to send messages to directly to user. And some another features like bulk user action is also available in this portal, where you just create some Excel sheets, where add lots of user directly by clicking one click, and also have a permission to where define a role of each user, which type of user is student, and student manager, course creator, teachers, and lots of users accessibility are available. So in an administrative portion, the main thing is a course. where manage easily manage course by course and category, have a course custom fields, and easily create a new courses. If I click on some manage and course category in this portal, have a two category like warrior commander. So in a warrior have a digital warrior course. In a digital warrior course, they easily to edit course by clicking on edit and enroll the user inside the course by clicking on enroll user. And here if I just, these are an active student in this course. But if I just want to click on new enrollment, just click here and select name of the user. Here just show the suggestion, and you just click on enroll user and type of the which type we enroll as a manager, teacher, and student or non-editing teacher. We just assign role here. Okay, this is the course administrative features available. And if I'll just log out and show how to students see the portal when student whenever login in this portal. Yes, this is Ramesh Gaikwad. Ramesh Gaikwad is a student and he has access to courses, and these are percentage here. So he completed 100% of these courses and he just started and have 5% completed of these courses. Here just he easily customize here dashboard. If you just click on customize this page option, here you easily drag and change all the views. Just like if I just click on card view, where change the course description and all things. Now, if I click on a particular course, here I see lots of syllabus are available, and inside the all syllabus have lots of books. If I click on this, have three books. Yes. This is a feature. It's a multilingual, so if I create a content in English and other language, also available in this course. And faculty also create a live session inside the course by using a big blue button plugin. It's also a free plugin tools. If I click on live classes, then say waiting for moderator to join. Okay, when faculty member join this live session, then its join session is enabled and easily to accessible by a student. And also it's a recording session is also available in the live session. When after the session is ended, a student go to previous recording and learn more things. This is a student, and just I just log out. If again I just log into teacher, yes, this is a faculty dashboard where Jayesh Dalvi has two courses. Who just he created these two courses. It's easy. If JS is just on editing on, then it easily to edit inside the courses. We just rename the book name and also have a lots of edit setting inside where where course name and description and also appearance are available, like a chapter is in a which format, number, bullet, and other common rule, and restriction access, where just you add some user and student which will not want you know what want do not want to access this courses. So this is a portal related to, and also one feature is chat box, where student directly chat with the faculty member. So, and now if I share Moodle portal, this is a Moodle official website where you get all the most of information here.
Okay.
So just one time you just visit on moodle.org, where you download the Moodle website and configure it on your system. It's the latest version is 3.11.1, and Moodle also have lots of plugins. So in a download in a footer section, in a plugin section, you just click on plugin, and here lots of plugins are also available. And if you use e-commerce inside the Moodle, you just want to sell your courses and other things inside the Moodle, you here use PayU Money and UPI payment integration inside the Moodle. So this is some small intro on the Moodle. So that side for my